welcome to the Vibe Chat. And today our artist to vibe with us is Khushi Shah. Hi Khushi, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine, thank you.
So, are you excited about this chat?
Yeah, I'm totally looking forward to it.
Well, that's great. So now I've seen your pictures and all of your artwork, and I absolutely love them. And you absolutely look beautiful in your pictures.
Thank you.
So I wanted to know, what do you think about the modeling field and the modeling? Like, is it a good thought or something like that?
See, like modeling in India is considered as a taboo. Like nowadays, people think that modeling industry is dirty, modeling is not good, modeling is dead. But I feel that modeling is not always dirty. See, modeling is only about getting ready, having the makeup on, clicking pictures. So I don't think there is anything wrong in that, and I enjoy that feeling. There is nothing dirty about it.
So, did you get a lot of support when you started modeling?
Yeah, like I have always got support from my family. Like my mother always used to click my pictures, my father, like everybody, they have never been, scolded me or something like that. They have always been supportive towards this.
That's awesome. So, you also do embroidery work, I believe.
Yeah, I just started it.
Oh, that's nice. So, I wanted to know what pulled your interest into embroidery work.
See, my grandmother, my mother, they do embroidery work. Like they are really good at it. So I saw them doing and I just wanted to do it. So I told them, please teach me. And also, yeah, they just taught me and I just did a little something. I just started it.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, this is a wall piece and
Okay.
it is used. But yeah, I need to complete it.
Yes, Vibe would love to recommend you to all of the NGOs and the luxury brands that Vibe is affiliated with. And of course, your modeling also.
Yeah,
So now I wanted to know that did a lot of people judge your embroidery when you were just a beginner?
Yeah, like I'm still a beginner, but yeah, whenever someone sees it, they are like, oh, this is wrong, this is not nice, you have done this wrong. But see, my thing is that I just started it and I don't know much about it. I'm just a beginner, so I still have a lot to learn about it. So yeah, people criticize, but then I think it's okay. I'll just take the criticism positively and just move on and just do it more nicely so that I don't get so much criticism.
So now I wanted to know what fuels up your creativity.
Like I have always loved everything, like all the curricular activities, be it singing, be it playing Casio, be it dancing or painting or cooking or everything. Like I have been professionally trained, classically trained in music and keyboard playing Casio and Bharatanatyam and Kathak also for 2 years. So yeah, I have always loved everything what I do, and yeah, I have loved all these.
That's nice. So when you started doing dance, did you feel like, yes, this is what I love, this is what I want to do? Did you feel like that for the dance?
Yeah, always. Like, see, I started dancing since I was 3 years old. So I have been doing performances. Yeah, and my mother has always been supportive. She took me to the performances, she took me to the classes and all. So uh, since I was growing up with dancing. So dancing is something that has always been really close to me. And I can't go a day without dancing. I can just dance all day and just, dancing is everything to me.
Same. I also have the love for dancing because even I do Kathak and I can really see how you get affiliated with the dance. So
Yeah.
I wanted to ask you, which art form expresses your side more? Which do you feel like comfortable? Which art form?
It would be dance any day. Like any concert, you have any program I have, anytime I get to dance, I'll always take that chance, because dancing is something that I can do anytime. So any chance I get, anything I get, yeah, I'll go and just perform on the stage, because I love doing that. I love performing in front of the audience.
That's nice. So I believe you're also into cooking, right?
Yeah, I love cooking.
So what brought you into cooking and what made you think, yes, I want to do cooking?
See, I started cooking a year back or something. But see, I was just bored on one evening. I was just, I had nothing to do. And I just thought I'll go into the kitchen and do something. So I just started cooking. And from that day, cooking has been my stress buster. Like, cooking has been there whenever I was bored, whenever I had, nothing to do or anything. So I love cooking. I love, making unique dishes and recipes and all.
That's nice. So, what do you feel when you do all of these art forms together? Do you feel like happy and sometimes stressed, or just all time happy?
See, I feel that all the art forms anybody does is for their refreshment, for their enjoyment. So I don't think there is any stress. But yeah, I always enjoy whatever I do, because I have so much to do. So I don't have to do one thing every time. So I know, like, yeah, by God's sake, I know so many of them. So I have something new to do every time I'm stressed out or something like that. So I love the art forms I do.
So I wanted to know, what is your take on criticism? Many people are judged for them.
Criticism is something that I have got always. Like, as I said, I have been dancing since so many years now. So I have been the best example, you can say, of criticism, because I have got so much of criticism. I have done music shows also. I have done dance performances also. So I have got so much of because there is when there is a lot of audience, you get so much of criticism always, and because it is not necessary that you always can be perfect. So I believe that even if you get so much of criticism, take it positively, use it to your benefits, and whatever art form you do it more nicely, so that you do not get so much of criticism the next time.
Yes, we should all do like that. And as we come to an end of the chat, I would just like to say, what do you have to say to all of the chefs, dancers, artists all around the world?
See, all I can say is just keep going. Don't let your hard work go in vain. Just stay focused and love what you do, because you will always get criticism, but take it in a positive way. Just use it to your benefits and just keep going, because until and unless you're focused, it will be really nice. But when your focus goes away, everything is in vain. So just keep going, keep your hard work going, and yes, it will be really nice.
Well, that's great. Thank you so much for coming with us on the chat today, Khushi. And everybody be tuned for the next chat. Until then, follow the Vibe page on Instagram and Facebook. And until then, keep vibing. Thank you, Khushi. Have a good day.
Same to you.
Thank you.